Hello, welcome to our festive Christmas vlog.
Hello. So we're here to talk about a couple of exciting things. It's going to be a short one today because we are mega busy. As some of you will definitely be aware, it is Small Business Saturday tomorrow. And we've got quite an exciting trail happening, which I'll let Hannah explain.
So I've been really busy organising a trail of Nottingham independence over the last couple of weeks. So we've got 36 businesses signed up. You don't have to buy anything, just visit any of them that are participating. You can find out all the information by scanning this QR code on a flyer, visiting the Handmade Nottingham website, or going onto Facebook and searching for it. You can find it through us or through Small Business Saturday Independence Trail. So yeah, no purchase necessary, just pop in, collect a stamp or a sticker for the back of your card, and if you then return the card completed, you'll get entered into a prize draw, and there's £600 worth of prizes to be won.
It's very impressive.
Yeah, there's some really good ones, so they range from a box of donuts, a free haircut, a piercing, box of cupcakes, loads of vouchers for amazing restaurants and eateries, a huge load of things from us. I think it's a sterling silver necklace, a poinsettia, a gift voucher, one of our kits as well.
Yeah. Just to clarify as well, you just have to collect 7.
Oh yeah, because it's the 7th of December.
Yes. You don't have to visit all 32, that would be quite a mission. But if you want to, you can do. But I'm hoping to discover places that I just didn't even realise were there, so I imagine lots of other people will probably do the same thing.
And as it's Small Business Saturday, we're also having fair trade chocolates on the counter for our customers, and we'll be sending them out with mail orders between now and Christmas. Yep. And there's free tote bags highlighting Nottingham's independence on Saturday, and double loyalty card stamps.
Yeah. So we usually give out loyalty stamps for every £5 spent, so we'll be getting double. So if you spend £5, you'll get 2. If you spend £10, you'll get 4. And
when you've got 20, you get £10 to spend in store.
Yep.
And we also have a really popular offer at the moment.
So for last Friday, which was Independence Day, nothing to do with Black Friday whatsoever, we decided to celebrate independence with a nice little, slightly different offer. So I designed and created a snowflake. Hopefully you can see that there. I might slot in a picture if I can. And it's a kit. So it's all the beads and the instructions you need to make a lovely sparkly snowflake, which would make an impressive pendant, or I've already got one on my tree at home. So they're lovely, and basically you've just got to spend £10 between now and the 16th, so it's been running since last weekend. And just mention Sparkling Snowflake when you're spending £10 or more, either in the comments box on the website or in store, and you will get a free kit.
Little quick update on the website. It is really, really frustratingly close. It's taken a little bit of a backseat to sorting things out for Small Business Saturday and everything else that we've been trying to do and working on, and new kits, and we've had some really good workshops, but they've been really busy.
Yes.
But it will be done really soon, and sorry it's taken so long.
And there will be more updates coming. I think that sums everything up nicely. So yeah, happy Christmas, and hopefully see you on Small Business Saturday.
Thank you.